What's the meaning of autism? Autism. Autism.
Autism. Autism. Autism is a neurological disorder that affects the development of communication and social interaction skills. It is characterized by repetitive behaviors, difficulty in verbal and nonverbal communication, and limited interests and activities. People with autism may struggle to form friendships, express emotions, and understand social cues. Autism is a spectrum disorder, meaning that it affects individuals to varying degrees. There is no known cure for autism, but early intervention and therapy can help improve symptoms and quality of life.